Well, the GroWealth initiative is fantastic really for retail investors. What we will see out of it is a publication of information that they need in order to be informed investors who will be savvy in picking the right managers and the right funds. It will really deepen our savings pool, especially for the retail sector. What's also important that it will impact financial inclusion and improve financial inclusion from an investment point of view. I think what we've seen so far is improved financial inclusion on the transaction side through the launch of mobile banking platforms. But what was missing is then financial inclusion, or at least the promotion of financial inclusion on the investment front. So this unit trust relaunch in terms of information provision is very good for that kind of financial inclusion. Well, from the briefing I've received from the regulator, the Securities Commission of Zimbabwe and industry players, clearly there's some areas where we can continue to improve and really look after our retail investors within our citizenry. First of all, there's just the whole area of frequency of publication of the information. The idea is that the industry will start with a monthly publication of prices and information on managers, but this should lead to, over time, us to increase. They should increase the frequency of publication, and eventually it should be daily, because stock markets move daily and market information moves daily. So it's a progression, and we understand, but starting with 1 month is the beginning, and we'll get to the 1 day to basically daily publication of the information. That's what they promise to do. On the policy front, one area that we'll be looking into is the area of taxation, to make sure that we always make sure that the tax system is not an impediment to the launch of additional innovative products beyond unit trusts or types of unit trusts. This includes instruments such as the exchange traded funds or ETFs, and other instruments such as REITs, the real estate investment trusts, which we've already legalized. In fact, I launched these through an SI instrument as instruments that ought to be developed in the market, but they need further policy support from a taxation point of view. So we'll be looking into this and making sure that they are well supported from a fiscal point of view.